What's up, team? Fullest, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the government canal. So guys, I want to come and show you guys another AliExpress bag. Yes, I'll tell you guys, I have been buying some bags from AliExpress. This is like the number four bag I'm getting from AliExpress. Actually, I got this bag for work and for like when I'm going to the play garden with the kids. I have something similar like this one, but that one is getting a little bit rough, so I wanted to get a new one. And I saw this one on AliExpress and I thought, you know what, hey, it looks nice. It's not the original, it's not the real deal, but it looks nice. I'm the kind of person, even though if I will have the money, I will not spend that much to buy the real deal. I will prefer to give it to a widow or a child that is orphaned, that doesn't have parents, or somebody that is struggling, than to buy such an expensive bag on my own. If somebody give me as a gift, no problem, but I will not pull my money to buy expensive something like this. For now, maybe in the future I will, but for now, no. So I saw this on AliExpress and I want to come and show you guys. I've already removed the packaging that AliExpress plastic it normally comes with. So when you remove the plastic, this is what you get. So this is what this thing is quite solid. Like, this is quite solid. So I'm hoping that everything is staying perfect. So let's open the bag. If you guys are interested in picking up any of this stuff that I got from AliExpress, my WhatsApp number is in the description. Please send me a WhatsApp and I will send you guys the link. I'm not going to put any link here because I don't want to get flagged or something on YouTube, because these are not the original. They are dupes of the original. And so if you guys are interested, let me know. And one tip that I have to give, if you're going to buy something from AliExpress, whether it comes to bags, shoes, hair, or whatever you're buying, always make sure you read reviews. Always make sure there are people who have bought it before, or they post pictures there to see how the product look like on its own. So always look out for reviews before ever buying stuff. So guys, this is the bag. Let's open. I'm so excited. So this is, you guys have already know what it is. When I'm holding like this, I feel like you guys have already know what it looks like. I'm super excited for this bag. I'm super nervous. Let's just get rid of all of this. I think I'm gonna keep this one for the kids. I don't know, I'm gonna put something in here, maybe something for the kids to play with. I'm not gonna throw it away. It looks very solid, so I'm gonna keep this one. So this is what the bag looks like, as you guys can see. This is the back and this is the front. Yes, this is not the original, but it definitely looks very well. Like, this is well built. It's really nice. So I picked this up for 25 euros. Yes, for 25 euros. And when I saw the pictures on AliExpress, they didn't show this part. They only showed the plain one without this. But when the people who buy it, I saw the review, and this is what it looks like on the review comments. So I sent the company a message. I'm like, I really want to see how the pictures of this bag look like. I'm interested. And then they send me, the person asked me to leave my email address, and they send me pictures. And when they send me pictures on my email, this is what it looks like. So when I saw the emails, I saw the pictures, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to pick it up for 25 euros. Okay, it's not that expensive. So when you open the bag, you get this one, the belts, and this is what the inside is. You have this pocket here where you can put stuff, and you also have a zipping pocket here. It's so crazy. It's like they have the logo and everything, and when you look at it, it even says made in Italy. Made in Italia, Italians, made in Italy. I don't know, but anyway, but it looks pretty good. It looks pretty decent. Inside looks really nice. And let's just Yo, the way they package this stuff is just crazy. Which I understand why they package it so tightly. Oh, the belt is quite long. Okay, so this is the belt. I guess you put it like this. Here. And here. Oh, this one's supposed to be like this. So this is how you put it. Comes all the way. I'm gonna put it all the way to the last one. So, and then I'm gonna take this one here and fix it. So guys, this is what it looks like. This is what the bag is looking like. It's pretty cool. It's really nice, you know, except somebody that's followed me on YouTube that see my videos that will see this and be like, Ami, it's not the real deal. Even if it's not the real deal, I don't care. I'm okay. I don't mind. That's why I show you guys, because if I hadn't shown you guys wouldn't know it's not the real deal. So that's why I came to show you guys. But for somebody who does not know me, just see me from a distance, will definitely think that this is the real deal. So yeah, this is another AliExpress. I also picked up some clothes from AliExpress, some dresses, but I haven't even wear them yet. You know, these dresses. I picked this one and this brown one as well. This one also looks really, really nice. It looks very, very beautiful. I kind of like it. So yeah, I pick a bunch of stuff, but this is the bag. So this is, and now I have like 4 bags from AliExpress. I'll come one day and show you guys all the bags that I picked up from AliExpress. No, I have 2 of these bags, but the one I have is the one I've shown you guys before. And now I have this one. This one is actually for work. And when I'm taking the kids to the play garden, or I'm just going to walk in the park with the kids, you can actually put your wallet, your phone, easily put it around your waist. You don't need to carry any bag. So yeah, this is the reason why I picked this up. I'm super excited. I'm really happy. I love the way it looks. It looks really, really nice. I also have the belts of this one, the tiny belts, which I'm good, you know, I'm kind of good. So very soon I have an appointment with someone to fix my nails. So very soon I'm also gonna do my nails. I'm gonna look I'm gonna do my nails, you know. I'm really trying to, you know, just do girly stuff. I love how my fingers are looking, but I just want to try, because I feel like if you never really try to do your nails, if I never really try these things, I will never know if I like them or not. So I'm definitely going to do a try. This time I'm going to really go to the salon and let them fix those ones that those girls normally fix. Not too long, just something short, just so that it looks very nice. Yeah, thank you guys so much for your love and support, Team Fullest. I really appreciate you all. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment box, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Team Fullest, thank you for your love and support. I appreciate you all. Peace out. Bye.